10 Days in Bali and Gili Islands, an adventurous destination guide. Welcome to the ultimate 10-day journey designed for travel enthusiasts seeking adventure, cultural immersion, and breathtaking natural beauty. From Bali's lush landscapes to the crystal-clear waters of the Gili Islands, this trip promises to ignite your wanderlust and leave you with unforgettable memories. Let's dive right into your itinerary, packed with exploration, excitement, and relaxation. Your adventure begins in Bali, Indonesia's most popular travel destination. After landing in Denpasar, head straight to Ubud, the cultural heart of the island. Nestled amidst lush jungles and rice fields, Ubud is the perfect place to kick off your journey. On your first day, visit the Tegalalang rice terraces one of Bali's most iconic landscapes. Stroll through the emerald green tiers and capture stunning photos. The best time to explore is early morning or late afternoon to avoid the crowds and enjoy the cooler air. Next, set out on a waterfall chasing adventure. Popular spots like Teganungan, Waterfall and Tukad Chepung. Waterfall offer breathtaking views and the chance to cool off in pristine pools. The jungle trails leading to these falls add a touch of excitement to your excursion. Day 2 begins with an adrenaline rush, whitewater rafting down the Ayong River Paddle through calm streams and roaring rapids while soaking in the lush rainforest views. Guided tours are beginner-friendly, so even first-timers will have a blast. Back on dry land, dive into Ubud's spiritual side by visiting Tirta Empul Temple famous for its holy waters. Here, you can participate in a traditional purification ritual, a meaningful way to connect with Bali's spiritual heritage. Later, explore the Ubud Monkey Forest a sanctuary full of playful long-tailed macaques. Wander through ancient trees and temple ruins while observing the monkeys in their natural habitat. Remember to keep your belongings secure. These cheeky creatures love shiny objects. In the evening, immerse yourself in Ubud's thriving food scene. From traditional warangs to plant-based cafes, there's something for every palate. Trying babi guling, suckling pig, or joining a Balinese cooking class offers insight into the island's rich culinary traditions. On day 4, head to Uluwatu, Bali's southern gem known for its rugged cliffs, golden beaches, and world-class surfing. The journey takes about an hour and a half from Ubud, offering scenic views along the way. Start your day at Padang Padang Beach. A paradise for surfers and sunbathers alike. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, the rolling waves here are perfect for catching some action. If you'd rather relax, the pristine sands are ideal for lounging. For your cultural fix, visit Uluwatu Temple. Perched on an awe-inspiring cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean. Time your visit to catch the sunset. It's a view that will leave you speechless. As dusk falls, stay for the Kikak Fire Dance a traditional Balinese performance featuring hypnotic chants, storytelling, and dynamic fire displays. Day 5 marks your entry into a true tropical paradise, the Gili Islands. Accessible by ferry from mainland Bali, these 3 car-free islands offer a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Begin your journey with vibrant Gili Trawangan the liveliest of the 3 islands. Snorkeling and diving here are must-do activities. Gili T is renowned for its sea turtles, and radiant coral reefs. Key snorkeling spots like Turtle Point promise close encounters with these gentle creatures. Certified divers can explore deeper waters filled with vibrant marine life. Gili T is also the perfect place for an evening bike ride. Circumnavigate the island while witnessing one of the most unforgettable sunsets you'll ever see. The lack of motorized vehicles makes the experience tranquil and unique. On day 6, embrace the peace of Gili Meno the quietest of the islands, known for its serene beaches. Take a leisurely stroll along untouched stretches of sand and visit the Underwater Sculpture Park a magical snorkeling spot featuring submerged art installations. For day 7, head to **Gili Air***, a harmonious blend of laid-back vibes and local culture. Engage with friendly locals and enjoy a mix of tranquil beaches and vibrant cafes. Be sure to try some fresh seafood. It's as close to ocean-to-table dining as it gets. Return to Bali on day 8 to prepare for one of the most exhilarating highlights of the trip, trekking Mount Batur, an active volcano offering unbeatable sunrise views. The trek begins in the early hours of the morning, so pack warm layers and sturdy hiking shoes. This moderately challenging hike takes about 2 hours, with a reward that's worth every step. Watching the sun rise over the crater, lake, and surrounding hills is an unforgettable experience. After descending, rejuvenate your body at the nearby Toya Devasya Hot Springs **. These naturally heated pools offer a serene way to relax while enjoying panoramic views of Mount Batur and Lake Batur. Spend the rest of day 9 exploring the Kintamani region where you'll find more hidden temples, cafes serving luwak coffee and picturesque rice fields. Your final day is all about soaking up the sun and indulging in Bali's luxurious side. Head to Seminyak, a beach town known for its chic vibe, upscale boutiques, and lively beach clubs. Unwind at the beach, where the waves are gentle and the sands are golden. For shoppers, Seminyak's local markets and designer stores offer something for everyone, from handmade souvenirs to high-end fashion. As the sun dips into the horizon, celebrate the end of your journey at a rooftop bar or beach club like **Potato Head, or Coup d'etat, **. Sip on cocktails while reminiscing about your epic 10-day adventure. From hiking volcanoes to snorkeling with sea turtles, your 10 days in Bali and the Gili Islands will be nothing short of extraordinary. This destination guide has covered everything from cultural landmarks to thrilling activities and beyond. Now it's your turn to pack your bags, unleash your adventurous spirit, and embark on this unforgettable journey. Bali and the Gili Islands await. Let the adventure begin.